guys, I'm back again. How are you doing, guys? I love you all. I appreciate every one of you for your effort, your time, your energy that you use to support this my channel. I say thank you so much, guys, and I will not take any of you for granted. Today I want to show you what I'm cooking. Today I am cooking Edo soup, original Edo soup from Nigeria. This soup is a native soup from Edo State, black soup, bitter leaf black soup, where by after grandma has finished cooking it, they will make pounded yam, correct pounded yam. Everybody will sit down and eat together. So this is the meat. I'm cooking the meat now, the chicken. I'm using hard chicken. Okay, guys? I am using hard chicken to do this cooking. I'm using hard chicken. Cow food has been cooked, and I have cooked my cow food before and remove all the water. That is what I do. I cook my cow food. I cook my pomo. This is the pomo I cooked earlier on. Yeah, pomo has been cooked. So that is the cow food has been cooked. I seal the water away before I put the hard chicken now and the onions. Then I'm gonna be putting my garlic, my bottled garlic. This is bottled garlic. Okay, I'm gonna be putting my garlic in there. Then my ginger paste in there, my garlic paste in there, in this cooking. Okay, guys. Then I'm gonna be putting my spices, mixed spice in my meat, in the meat I'm cooking. Okay, guys. Then I'm gonna be putting my aromat. My aromat will be my Maggi cube and my salt. Okay, I'm gonna tip in some in there. Then cover it and let it cook because it's hard chicken. I love hard chicken. They got their own taste. They are very tasty and sweet. You can use any chicken or any meat of your choice to cook this special black soup. I've boiled my bitter leaf, sieve the water out. I'm gonna drink the water because the water is very medicinal as well. Okay, guys. This is my bitter leaf. I'm frozen bitter leaf. This one is the one that I boiled, yeah, and that is the water. So I'm gonna blend this bitter leaf with 18 tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, and garlic. I got a little beef there, so when the hard chicken has cooked, that is when I will put my beef. This pomo, thick pomo, has been cooked. So I got my crayfish, I got my iru, ogiri, I got all my spices here, my ginger paste and garlic paste. So I'm gonna be using palm nuts, okay, to cook this black soup. And that is my, and this fish here is called banga fish. This is banga fish, washed, boiled with hot water and washed. Okay. A big salmon head of fish here that I'm gonna be using to cook my black soup. Okay, that is the big salmon head of fish in there in the bowl that I'm gonna be using as well. My blended bitter leaf, onions, garlic, ginger. So I'm gonna stir it. So I'm gonna be putting my palm nuts, a little bit of banga palm nuts in my black soup. I'm going to put my iru, my ogiri. My ogiri will go in there. Okay, it's frozen. I'll put it back in the freezer. Okay. My grounded crayfish will go in there. That's my grounded crayfish will go in there. This fish is called banga fish. This is banga fish, okay? This banga fish will go in there. Then I put my spice, my mixed spice goes in there. Okay? If you eat salt, this is the time you want to put your salt if you like, but I use no aromat will go in there. This is my seasoning and my salt. Okay, I don't really, I'm not a salty person. Okay, this one will go in the soup, in my bitter leaf soup. This bitter leaf soup, you can eat it with pounded yam, amala, wheat fufu, oatmeal fufu, any fufu of your choice that you fancy. You can eat it with rice, boiled yam, boiled plantain, especially in this winter, and also as I'm recovering from my nearly 3 weeks plus cold bug. These are the kind of soup I want to be eating. You know, this will clean your mouth, sanitize your mouth and your tongue for you. Okay, I got some pack of snail. I'm gonna put this, just 2 snail inside. Okay, these 2 snail will go inside there. So I'm gonna put my gray head of my salmon fish. My salmon fish will go in there. It's a very big salmon head of fish, you know, very big.